As we all know, that future is of artificial intelligence, and those that are currently working on this precious tool, they will definitely rule the world order. Artificial intelligence is a tool that will definitely transform the geopolitical world order. I will prove this thesis by relating this point with examples from the past. My name is Waqar Hassan, and I am here with an important topic: artificial intelligence and its impact on geopolitical world order. If we go through the pages of history, we will witness that the Industrial Revolution allowed British to win competitive edge for the transformation of geopolitical world order. After the British introduced a revolution in industry, they utilized that power that they derived from the revolution to influence geopolitics around the globe. They developed their economic, political, and technological power to transform the geopolitical world order. After the span of few decades, Americans they introduced information revolution. It was around in 1960 that information revolution transformed the way geopolitics work. It allowed Americans to rule the world for another 70 to 80 years. And America has remained a superpower until date. But today the might of America has been getting challenged by the rise in the power of China. It has all become possible because China is working on developing the most vital technology in the contemporary era. Yes, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a tool that involves deep learning of machines in order to allow machines to perform better than humans. Although it is just a proposition, but it might happen in the years to come. China is investing a lot in artificial intelligence, and America is a competitor of China. On the other hand, Russia is also investing much on bringing a revolution in artificial intelligence. However, the future political order of this world will be transformed by those nations who will ultimately win this race. Right now, China is producing a bulk of research papers on artificial intelligence. Almost 60 to 70% of research papers being published today are from China. America is also producing research papers, and almost 25% of the research papers being published today in the domain of artificial intelligence are from America. These two countries, they are at loggerheads in winning a race in the domain of artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence will allow states to manipulate geopolitical world order. If China wins this race, which is a probability, China will be the country in the world that will influence the geopolitical world order. On the other hand, if America competes China, America will definitely maintain its influence in the geopolitics of the world. However, with the passage of time, new players are emerging. Russia wants to compete against China and America. Although Russia wants an kind of an alliance with China, but in the domain of artificial intelligence, all the countries they want to acquire some kind of dominance because artificial intelligence it will allow countries to transform their economy, to transform their technological sector, and to transform their political influence across the globe. So, artificial intelligence will become a tool for the countries in the near future to manipulate geopolitics all over the world. Artificial intelligence it's in the early stages of its development. And although the world is predicting a bright future for humanity, the negative use of artificial intelligence will definitely bring consequences for the entire world. Chinese, with all their might, are advancing towards a bright future by using artificial intelligence. And Americans, they are also competing against China. Meanwhile, there are few other countries such as France, Japan, India, Russia that are also investing a lot in transforming their economies and their technological sectors by using artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence, it's a great tool to win a competitive edge over all the other countries. It will assist states to manipulate international relations. Those states that will gain advantage in this domain, they will definitely alter the course of international relations. So, artificial intelligence, without any doubt, will become a tool to manipulate the world politics, and the new geopolitical order will definitely depend on the ability of states to acquire competence in artificial intelligence. This is an awakening call for Pakistan because right now we need to invest in this technology if we have to keep pace with the world. Keep watching for more videos because I am going to share more videos on artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence will become a tool to transform the geopolitics of the world. Thank you so much.